Raise your hand if you've ever done this. You set a big goal. You're hyped. You buy the planner, the gym shoes, the green smoothie powder. And by Wednesday, you're back on the couch, wondering why discipline feels like wrestling a grizzly bear. Yeah? Me too. For years I thought discipline was about white-knuckling your way through life. But what if I told you discipline isn't about willpower at all? And that building it is actually simple? Today, I'm breaking down 3 huge myths that make discipline feel hard, and replacing them with science-backed, effortless fixes. Stick around. You'll leave with a tiny habit that'll change your life by tomorrow. We've been sold a lie about discipline. We think it's for the special people, the 4 a.m. club, the ultra-productive robots. Nope. Real discipline isn't gritting your teeth. It's designing your environment, your habits, and your brain so doing the thing is the easiest path. Think about it. When's the last time you needed willpower to brush your teeth? Never. Because it's automatic. That's the secret. So today, we're smashing 3 myths that make discipline feel impossible. Myth 1. Discipline equals constant willpower. Myth 2. Discipline equals all or nothing. Myth 3. Discipline equals suffering. And replacing them with 3 UPE grades that make it stick. Environment to willpower. Micro habits to massive goals. Fun to force. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build discipline without burnout. And yes, there's a stupidly simple challenge at the end. Let's dive in. Myth 1 is the biggest lie. Discipline means forcing yourself through sheer will. Ugh. No wonder we quit. Willpower is like a battery. It drains fast. Research shows we make worse decisions when we're tired, stressed, or hungry. Relying on willpower is like trying to drive a car with an empty tank and blaming yourself when it stops. But what if you never needed to force it at all? The upgrade, environment to willpower. Your surroundings control 80% of your choices. Make the right action obvious and the distraction invisible. Actionable examples. Fruit bowl trick. Want to eat healthier? Put fruit on the counter. Hide chips in a top cabinet. Phone jail. Working? Put your phone in another room. Out of sight, out of mind. Morning momentum. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. When you see them, action feels automatic. Your environment is your invisible coach. Stop fighting yourself. Design your way to discipline. Myth 2. If I'm not perfect, I've failed. This is the kryptonite of discipline. We set huge goals. Work out 1 hour daily. Miss 1 day, and spiral into guilt. But discipline isn't binary. It's consistency over intensity. The upgrade. Micro habits to massive goals. Start so small it's impossible to fail. Stanford research shows tiny habits rewire your brain for automatic action. The 2-minute rule. Commit to just 2 minutes of your habit. Running. Lace up and step outside. Writing. Open the doc and write 1 sentence. No 0 days. Do 1 thing toward your goal daily. 1 push-up. 1 page read. 1 healthy meal. The 1% improvement. Focus on getting 1% better daily. In 70 days, you'll be twice as good. Discipline grows like a seedling. Water it daily. Don't demand a redwood tree overnight. Myth 3. Discipline has to feel awful. Why? If it's miserable, your brain will sabotage you. Neuroscience proves dopamine drives action. If your habit feels like punishment, you'll quit. But if it's rewarding, you'll crave it. The upgrade, fun to force. Make it enjoyable now, not just worth it later. Actionable examples. Temptation bundling. Only watch your favorite podcast while running. Only scroll Instagram after 25 minutes of deep work. The celebration habit. After your micro habit, immediately celebrate. Fist pump, dance break, heck yes. Gamify it. Track streaks on a fun app. Compete with a friend. Unlock rewards. Example 5 workouts. Fancy coffee. Discipline shouldn't feel like jail. It should feel like leveling up in your favorite game. Ready for your actually easy discipline starter pack? Here's your 48-hour challenge. Redesign 1 space. Move 1 distraction out of sight. Phone, snacks, clutter. Make 1 positive habit obvious. Water bottle on desk. Guitar on stand. 2. Pick 1 micro habit. Choose something laughably small. Example, do 1 push-up. Write 1 sentence. Do it daily for 2 days. Celebrate after. 3. Add a spoon of fun. Bundle it with joy. Listen to a banger playlist while doing it. Sip coffee after. Don't overthink it. Tiny adjustments compound. Discipline isn't about being hard on yourself. It's about being smart. Build systems, not stress. Celebrate small wins. Trust the process. Remember, you're not failing. You're collecting data. Every oops teaches you how to design better. If this helped, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more practical growth tips. Subscribe and hit the bell. You didn't learn to walk in a day. You stumbled, got up and tried again. That's discipline, and you've already got it in you. Now go design your environment, Pick your micro habit and make it fun. I'm rooting for you. Go get 'em.